I now invite Prithvi Sharma on stage. He's presenting Tirumala Giriraya, yet another Annamachari Kirtana in Mohana Ragam and set to Talam Adi.
Tirumala Giriraya, Tirumviraya, Devara Uttaraya, Surata Pennanaraya, Suguna Konetiraya, Tirumala Giriraya, Devara Uttaraya, Surata Pennanaraya, Suguna Konetiraya, Tirumala Giriraya. Sirula Singararaya, Chaluva Putimaraya. Sirula Singararaya, Chaluva Putimaraya. Sarasavai Bavaraya, Sakala Vinodaraya. Sirula Singararaya, Chaluva Putimaraya. Sarasavai Bavaraya, Sakala Vinodaraya. Varavasanta Punaraya, Vanitala Vitaraya. Varavasanta Punaraya, Vanitala Vitaraya. Gurulaina Tedaraya, Kundala Konetiraya, Tirumala Giriraya, Devara Uttaraya, Surata Pinnanaraya, Suguna Konetiraya, Tirumala Giriraya. Samasangitharaya, Sarvamohanaraya, Damavaikuntaraya, Daityanibalaraya. Samasangitharaya, Sarvamohanaraya, Damavaikuntaraya, Daityanibalaraya. Kaminchi Vinukorinti Karuninchati Vidandu, Kaminchi Vinukorinti Karuninchati Vidandu, Srimantrudaniko Jaya Shri Venkatanaya, Tirumala Giriraya, Devara Uttaraya, Surata Pinnanaraya, Suguna Konetiraya, Tirumala Giriraya, Tirumala Giriraya, Tirumala Giriraya, Tirumala Giriraya.
This is his first solo performance. I know him. He's been attending his pre-SAT. He's 11th grader. He has so many activities. And he missed so many classes too. That is what is the result today. Okay, but he attempted. That is what I wanted because this is the first stepping stone for the next year. Hope he does it. You know your mistakes. That is all I wanted. Please give him once again a very big applause. Thank you.